Let's see who is calling us, because guys, I posted few trucks just to see their reality. Dispatch.
Hey, this is Jordan with Transport. How are you doing today?
I am doing well. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Do you also have a truck in Los Angeles, California for today?
Los Angeles. Yes, we do. What do you have, honey?
I have a load. It picks up in Ontario, California, and delivers to Montgomery, New York on Thursday.
Are we going to upstate New York? Is that going to be Walmart, or who is that going to be?
It is going to be, no, it's like a healthcare.
Okay. May I have the zip code for the pickup, please?
91761.
91761. Okay. What time is the pickup today?
Between 11 a.m. and 7 p.m.
Okay. And we are going to zip code is
12549.
Montgomery, New York. And when are we gonna deliver this one? On Monday? No, not Monday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Thursday at 10 a.m.
Thursday. This is a little bit longer transit. Can it be Wednesday morning?
No. Well, you could try. We just can't guarantee it.
Okay. What is a commodity on this?
Commodities could be medical products.
Okay. Palletized?
Yes.
Okay. And how much are you paying?
We're looking at $6,500.
Is this for driving or for the reefer?
For reefer.
Okay. What is the temperature on this?
70 degrees.
Is it
60.
Is it
60 and 70? They'll tell you though.
Okay, 60, 70 degrees. So are you for sure? Because usually medical stuff goes in Celsius. Usually all the medical supplies, the temperature will be in Celsius. So
in Celsius?
Yes. So are you sure?
Well, I know in Fahrenheit it's around 60 degrees.
Okay, but BOL is going to specify this, right?
Yes.
Okay, how heavy is the load?
It is 38,000 pounds.
Okay, and let me see something. I'm going to copy to New York. 65 is a little bit low with a Thursday delivery. It's a little extra transit there. You think you can meet me at 74?
No, but I can meet you at 7,000.
You can go to 7,000? Yeah, unfortunately the lowest I will be able to do is 72. So would you like to call me back? Would you like to call back? I can do 72.
72?
Yes.
I don't think I get 72. I'll ask them. I'm going to put you on hold.
Okay, sounds good. So while she's putting us on hold, well, let's look at this. Los Angeles, picking up today till 7. This is a medical supply palletized. You have to adjust the... Hello? Ew. And what happened, guys? We disconnected her. I think I have too many wires here when I do live, right? What's going on here? What is going on? Our phone is got disconnected. So what was she offering? Well, she was offering first 65, right? So 65, let's calculate rate per mile. How are you gonna calculate rate per mile? Let's get calculator out right here. Okay, let's open calculator right here. Do you see, guys, calculator? So 65 divide by what? 2820, all total miles. And we are at 230. That's not enough to go to upstate New York. So let's go back to 72. That's what we told her, that we're going to actually do 7,200 as lowest. Divide by, again, 2810 equals 256 per mile. I also went right away to the load board so I can see who is posting exactly from Los Angeles today to New York. Why do I do that? Well, first I want to make sure I find them. And here they are, Ontario, California. They say the tracking is required. Pictures of the truck, seal and BOL required. This is a reference number. This is their score by that. But again, if you have factoring, you have to double check that they approve by factoring. And they are posted. They actually do not have the price. The highest paying rate today going to the Bronx, 7,000, going to from Molo and 68 and 65. Look at this, three different people posting the same load. Look at the price difference, 65, 68, 7,000. So if you guys do not do that step, a lot of times you actually don't really know what they are posting there, right? So quick rate search. Let's do the quick rate search. So what is a quick rate search? For most of you who are working with that, so this was for medical supply, you have to make sure that you know for sure the temperatures, because usually for all the medical stuff we are in Celsius, so you need to make sure the driver will verify by BOL. Our favorite TQL is calling. Hello, my favorite TQL. What do you guys have?
Hey there. I saw where you had a truck posted out of Cali to desired destination was New York.
It was not desired destination. It just we had an offer to go to New York, so I was just checking what everybody else is paying. What do you have?
Okay, yeah, I have a 1-1 picking up in Buena Park, Cali, today by 4. The commodity is a truckload of snack foods, and it's delivering to Plainview, New York. It can deliver on Monday or Tuesday of next week. First come, first serve, 9 a.m. to 1.
Is Plainview, this is an island? Is this on the island?
On Long Island?
Yeah, so it is on the island. Unfortunately, we would not go there. How much are you paying for that?
We're paying 56 on this one, and it's also a pallet. There's a pallet exchange also, 21 pallets.
56, you paying to go to the island? Come on, TQL. Everybody else, did you see the load board? 7,000, 68,000. That's why you are my favorite, guys. Because you are killing trucking every day. Look at you.
Hey, I can't. I'm too new to come up with the pricing, but.
Well, you're not too new, but if everybody else is paying 68, 7,000, you want to go to the island through the George Washington Bridge. You want to even handle a pallet exchange. You want all of this for 5,600. Do you think it's fair? Even if you knew.
I mean, it's really not up to me. I hear what you're saying, though.
Okay, yeah, unfortunately, you need to find a desperate dispatcher or maybe brand new authority who is gonna be lucky to have something, but we cannot afford this, hon. But thank you so much for calling.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for talking to me.
Bye-bye. So, guys, did you see that nonsense? TQL, $5,600. Going to the island. Go a pallet exchange. So what does it mean, pallet exchange? Probably you will need to go buy pallets somewhere. Then you need to make sure they're gonna reimburse for that pallets. You in California, do you really think there are so many places to go and buy pallets? So you're gonna be driving around right now through all the traffic trying to please TQL for charity load, and that's what it is happening in this crazy market. So how can you justify that? If other brokers paying 68, also going, let's say, kind of same, Bronx, New York, how can you justify 5,600? Same with a girl, Amino Transport. She started with what? She started with 65. 30 seconds later, she was already to 7,500. She had the room right away. That's because I asked for 75. Well, she come up for 70. But how many of you guys afraid to ask? You ask, oh, can I please have the $50? Please don't be greedy. Can I have $100? That's why. Guys, we are killing trucking with our own hands. Do not do it, dear dispatchers. Do not do it. Do you see how $500 was added right away, 30 seconds later? Cut the BS out. You already know by the by the city, you already know this is an island. You dealing with a pallet exchange. My favorite TQL, right? TQL